In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send a Salesforce report to anyone. This is a fantastic capability that can save you a lot of time and help ensure that the right information reaches the right people consistently. First things first, let's log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have your credentials ready and enter them in the login page to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of tabs. For our task today, we want to direct our attention to the Reports tab, so go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of all the reports you have access to. Browse through these reports and select the one you'd like to schedule for automatic sending. When you find it, simply click to open it. Now that you have the report in front of you, take a look near the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an Edit button. Just next to this button, there should be a small drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow, and from the options that appear, select the one labeled Subscribe. This feature allows you to schedule the report to be sent out automatically, saving you from doing it manually every time. Next, you'll be faced with setting the conditions for when the report should be sent. Consider how often you need this report to be distributed. Maybe you want it to go out daily, so you never miss a beat. Perhaps weekly works better for your schedule or the needs of your team. Evaluate what makes the most sense for your operations and set the conditions accordingly. This is a crucial step in automating the process effectively. After setting the timing, it's time to decide who will receive this report. In the Recipients section, you can add users, roles, or even entire groups who need to stay informed. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing a team. You can ensure that everyone, from the most junior member to the head of operations, receives the necessary data without you having to lift a finger. Next is the delivery time and format. Here you get to choose when the report should hit the recipient's inbox and in what format. Some people might prefer an Excel file, others might want a CSV format depending on how they plan to use the data. Take a moment to think about the preferences of the report recipients and make your selections. Finally, and this is the best part, click on Save. By doing this, you've effectively set up an automated process, making sure that your Salesforce report will be sent out according to the schedule and settings you have just configured. It's a small step, but makes a big difference in managing your workflow efficiently. There you have it. By following these steps, you've streamlined a crucial part of your business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this process enhances your productivity as much as it has for countless others.